participants of the handicraft and handloom clusters, entrepreneurs, and industry involved and exporters. And this is the technical session. I will talk about it, okay, how the handicraft packaging and how the Indian Institute of Packaging develop some packaging related with the handicraft and handloom, and what the IP can play a role, especially handicraft and handloom industry of Manipur. Before going to the main point, and special thanks to the director handicraft, and this wonderful arrangement, and very short time they have accepted our initiative of Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Therefore, I am here. This is the what I can say, I can commit. This is the beginning, and many more programs we can organize jointly. And especially, all you know, and the minister was also talking about what is the role of the packaging and for the value addition, for marketability and sellability. We'll discuss about that. I request, can you show the film first about the IP? You understand what the IP, role of IP in Pan India, what we are doing. Small film, 5 minutes film is there, please. Can you?
Welcome to the Indian Institute of Packaging. The Indian Institute of Packaging is a national apex body set up in 1966 by the Allied Industries and Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, with specific objectives for promotion of export market and also to improve the packaging standards at the national level. IIP Mumbai campus offers excellent hostel facilities for boys and girls designed to make their lives as comfortable as possible. Adjacent to the main building is the new academic block and the International Packaging Center. The institute's library is acclaimed as one of the best libraries in the field of packaging, with more than 9,000 books, journals, periodicals from all over the world. IIP has close rapport with international bodies such as World Packaging Organization and Asian Packaging Federation. To meet the growing demands from the industry for qualified technical professionals, the institute offers several long-term and short-term programs. The Postgraduate Diploma in Packaging (PGDP), the Distance Education Program (DEP), the Intensive Training Course (ITC), and the Executive Development Program (EDP). The institute has well-equipped testing laboratories with more than 180 types of precision-based equipments and capacity to carry out more than 350 types of tests on packaging and material. The institute has state-of-the-art infrastructural facilities at all centers to provide an excellent environment for research, testing, quality evaluation, and education. This is the proposed master plan for IIP Mumbai campus. Now let's have a look over the facilities available at other regional centers. IIP Delhi.
Now please stop it. Thank you. This is all about what Indian Institute of Packaging. You have seen this institute is more than 56 years old. We have different activities. Research and development is one of the activities. We have Center of Art facility in testing. We have more than 300 testing parameters of facility for packaging. And we do the 2 years postgraduate diploma in packaging. This is one of the unique course in the country. For the years, we have experience of 100% placement. And we have also short-term programs, training programs, 3 months and 1 month training programs to fulfill the gap of the packaging knowledge and upgradation for the packaging and allied industry. We provide A to Z solutions to the packaging and allied industry. We do the consultancy projects. We also perform advisory visit to own support solution to the packaging and user industry. So this is the all centers you have seen. These are the different centers in IIP. You can say Mumbai is the headquarter, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, and I'm happy to share on the PMO's intervention. 4th January, we have inaugurated one of the training center in Varanasi, and many more centers we are going to open, like Bangalore and Visakhapatnam. This shows that there is a requirement, there is a growth, there is a potential in the field of the packaging. As per the requirement, the already mentioned, our all laboratories are NABL accredited laboratories, ISO certified laboratories, and we are also having facility. Now we are talking about eco-friendly packaging materials, sustainable packaging materials. That facility we have also created. Food packaging testing laboratory is also one of the important laboratory we are having, so that to fulfill the recent requirement of the biodegradable testing facility we have created. We are closely working with the all export promotion councils like APIDA, Spices Board, Tea Board and Coffee Board, Ministry of Food Processing and FSSAI and BIS. We are all sectional committees of the packaging standards of the BIS, where we are making the standards of the packaging related, including the toys. And recent achievement we have done. We have received the patent of Nalen Gur. All you know, I hope you all aware about the Nalen Gur, date palm tree. This is the one of the jaggery is very much common, especially in eastern part of the country and West Bengal. The West Bengal government has given this assignment to Indian Institute of the Packaging. This is a highly perishable product. This product is spoiled within few hours. We have developed such a packaging. It enhances the shelf life of 1 year. So this is the recent breakthrough, and we have received the patent. You know that travel ministry is another ministry where a lot of the food and non-food items. During the lockdown, we have developed honey packaging, very good honey packaging. Now you can see on our screen, honey packaging we have developed. One of the recent times, we have been associated, the flagship program of our Prime Minister is Ustad project. The purpose of the objective of the Ustad project is to promote the handicraft and train to the artisans, where IIP has been associated with the Minority Ministry. Pan India 40 handloom and handicraft products were identified and given this responsibility to the Indian Institute of the Packaging to develop a packaging specification and standards. So more than 120 packaging standards we have developed of a pan-India products of handloom and handicraft. So you can visit our website. If you are making the such type of the products of your state, you can adopt the packaging and improve your product and marketability and sellability. Similarly, you can see this is the one of the product of the sari, which is very popular in the this Assami sari. So that bamboo-based packaging we have developed. So similarly, we know that this northern eastern part and Meghalaya is very, where the bamboo is also growing in big scale. So we have been associated with the Bamboo Mission of the country, where we are working to develop a packaging from the bamboo itself. We know that we are working to develop beautiful, innovative bamboo-based packaging. Later, I will show in our presentation. So this is the few things and you know, transportation. If you have a good product, if you want to market your product to Delhi or Mumbai, and that product need to be transported by the road or rail, whatever is there. During this transportation, product is facing hazard, stress, and it has a chances to break or damage during the transportations. This is one of the product recently during the lockdown. Recently we have developed for transportation of handicapped. This is the handicapped rickshaw. They were damaged, more than 10% to 15% damage were reported by the organization, and they came to Indian Institute of the Packaging to improve their transport packaging. So we have developed, you can see this is the pallet, combination with the pallet and this corrugated box. Now heavy material, this is the heavyweight material, we have developed a packaging. Similarly, I was talking to your minister, we have seen you have terracotta product. Is it? That is very beautiful. That can be, again you can market for the 5-star hotels and big government organization. But the problem is they are so beautiful, so attractive, but problem with the transportation. So we'll discuss with Director of Handicraft how we can develop a good transport packaging so that it can be transported to the all metros without any damage. Then need to, because each and every product has a different nature, different requirement, different fragility, different texture, different dimensions, so that each and every product need to focus customized packaging. IP is well equipped to have a customized packaging based on this IT tools and appliances. This is the few success story what I have discussed. Now I would like to talk about that this, because we are here in Imphal and Manipur. So India is one of the important supplier of handicraft in the world market. What I understand during few days, we have studied what are the, and varieties of handicraft items are exported from India to various countries. And especially the craft in the northeast region, you can see these are the different hubs of the craft in the northeast region. Especially when we talk about that, one of the product is flourishing bamboo processing industry in the northeastern region, especially the Manipur. Manipur is one of the India's largest bamboo processing state. Am I right, sir? Director, sir? I hope this is the right quote. And is a major contributor to the country bamboo industry. In 2015, the state accounted for 9,303 square kilometer of bamboo bearing area. So huge potential is there. You have a beautiful, you are making beautiful furniture. We have seen in Delhi, Delhi Hut also, and your Emporium, Manipur Emporium also, beautiful, attractive bamboo furnitures are there. Sometimes my wife is also telling, why not we can have some bamboo furnitures, but need to be transported in the good condition to the faraway places. So this is the, and now we are looking, you made a good furniture from the bamboo that need to be transported where you require a good packaging. Similarly, can we make packaging itself from the bamboo? Is it possible? Can we explore? Can we discuss? Because when we talk about, your minister also mentioned about that, this packaging is a science, art and technology, a combination of science and art. So now lot of engineerings are involved. Many more developments are required, scientific studies, specifications are required. When we'll make a packaging material, especially crate, boxes, or pallets from the bamboo, we have to follow some standards. Let down standards by BIS that should match with the actually these pallets and boxes are made by these wooden pallets are there, plastic pallets are there. There are packaging standards for the pallets, wooden pallets. Now we have to make standards for bamboo pallets, so the industry then can adopt it. This is the huge potential what we are looking will work. We have Indian Institute, the packaging is associated with the bamboo mission of the country. I hope all you understand this. Is it audible and you can, is it clear? Message is clear, all of you, please. If you could not understand, if I need to speak in Hindi, I will speak in Hindi. Please, let me know. Manipur has highest number of handicraft units, as well as the highest number of the craft person with comprising skilled and semi-skilled artisans in the entire eastern part of the country. Handloom is the largest cottage industry in the Manipur, and the state ranks among the top 5 in terms of the number of looms in the country. Manipur has the advantages of acting as India's gateway to the east through the More town, which is the only feasible land route for the trade between the Myanmar and India and southeastern countries. So I think so, the huge potential, big potential for the export. So then we have to develop many more exportable packaging. We know that what is the biggest limitation when we talk about the packaging? The cost. Am I right? People think, no, we have a very good products, but we ignore the packaging. Either we have sometimes, we have adopted and copied the other packaging, what the other industry or other products packaging. Sometimes we use the same boxes. And that causes the damages. Then we realize, oh, we have done some mistake. Like, we need to have our specific good packaging so that our product should not be damaged during the transportation, especially for the export. So Manipur has done the Ima Bazar is one of the India's largest market run by the women. So now we know that, and we have realized for last 1 year, we are facing the big challenge in the country, especially the post-COVID challenges has given the opportunities also. The business pattern has now changed. Physical business has minimized, am I right? Yes. To avoid the contact, we have a new mode of the business is the e-commerce business. Can we imagine, can we believe the e-commerce is possible without packaging? Answer is no. Sometimes we have our own experiences when we purchase any e-commerce material from the e-portal. Either it is our packaging, sometimes damaged. That need to focus. Therefore, I'm here. Your product, how we can make a packaging suitable for e-commerce without enhancing the cost. That is the optimization of the packaging is another area to be focused. With the help of, we'll discuss in later, in one-to-one face meeting, what are the products we have to identify, what are their product, what are the nature, what is the characteristic, how it need to be transported. Again, the packaging depends on what is the mode of transportation. Maybe when you transport your product from the road or rail or air, their nature, the requirement of the packaging will differ. Clear? तो कहा जाता ना कि हर मर्ज की दवा क्रोसिन नहीं हो सकती, सर दर्द की दवा क्रोसिन नहीं हो सकती. Similarly, what we can say, तो each and every product, based on their requirement, based on their required shelf life, we need different scientific packaging. So now this is the all discussed. Even your minister, he mentioned, he talked was in the Manipur language. Packaging is the science, art, and technology. So my part is over. He has already explained in local languages. So packaging can be described as a coordinated. He also talked what I can understand by the body language. He also mentioned, is it? So packaging is the coordinated system of preparing goods for transport, warehousing, logistics, sale, and finally, ultimate customer or user in sound and safe conditions. This is about the packaging industry. Indian packaging industry is growing at the rate of 15 to 18%. Compared to the international packaging industry is growing 3 to 5% only. So huge potential of the packaging in the country. And especially this, we know that there is a boom in the retail chain, e-commerce business, more potential in the field of the packaging. Every commodity, whether it is a food, whether it is a pharmaceutical item, whether it is the chemical item, whatever is there, whether the fresh food, processed food, jewelry, chemicals, dangerous goods, all, each and every commodity requires packaging. After the processing, the who is responsible to the safe delivery? It is the packaging. Therefore, requirement, as per the requirement, format of packaging differ. As per the requirement, format of packaging differ. How? You have experience, you have seen in the market, the packaging may be paper board, is it? You can see the packaging is in a plastic materials. Sometimes you have seen pouches, sometimes you have seen PET bottles, sometimes you have seen rigid packaging, sometimes you have seen the packaging jerry cans, drums, and you can also have seen the can materials of the packaging, metal can, aluminum foils. So it means different types of the packaging materials are there for different purpose, different utility, and different market, to see the market, target. So it is customized in different way. Now we are also talking about that customized packaging, composite packaging, where we have a combination of different materials of the packaging put together, make a single entity. Sometimes you have seen, when you are flying, you have seen some snacks products, Kurkure. It appears like a can, but in fact, it is made of the paper, and lid is made of the plastics. This is known as a composite container. So like beautiful, attractive designs are there, which attract to the customer. So your packaging should be designed in a such way, it should attract to the customer. And it's also informed to the customer. So different, you can see, through this different region has a different packaging. So now question arises, why I'm here, Indian Institute of Packaging is here. It means certain definite requirement of the packaging for your product. Especially all you people are from the handicraft and handlooms segment. So you can see different beautiful packaging. You can market even value addition of a product. If you will sell a product in a jute bag, who will be taker? Can you export? If you sell your product in gunny bag, it will not be attracted by the customer. If you will have some packaging which have a good appealing, which has a good aesthetic, good design, the purchaser or seller when he enter in any organized retail shop, oh, I will see what is the good inside of that. It means within, our study says, within 10 to 15% who motivates impulsive impact is the packaging, good design of the packaging. Now you can see how good design of the packagings are available in the market, how we can use for the, what is the role of the packaging. So now the role of the packaging is to, the role of the packaging has no meaning without the product for which it was designed. Its primary function is to preserve, protect, contain, transport, storage, and also inform to the customer. Therefore, now we used to say packaging is the silent salesman. All you agree? Who is there in mall? Nothing, but it is the packaging. Who sells to the customer? Who talks to the customer? It is the good packaging, innovative packaging. So therefore, now we can say about the packaging, come, touch, and feel. So all this incorporation, we have to incorporate in good packaging. Then your purpose will be served. So now, So what is the packaging design? First step of developing a packaging, first step to develop select a packaging is a design. We have a design. So like that way, I want to say, I was discussing. I will discuss second round of discussion. Will do here, because this area is no packaging manufacturer there. Am I right? All your exporters, businessmen, those who involved in handicraft business, they are purchasing packaging material from Guwahati. Am I right? Mostly. Most of the units are, nearby units are in Guwahati or Kolkata. So we can have a Manipur must have one common facility center where we can have focusing on package design. Like other designs, NID having design for especially for your textile products, am I right? The training center must be there. You are taking the services of NID or like other design institutions. NIFT must be helping or must be having branch, I'm not sure. So like same way, there should be a package design center where you can design packaging, good design packaging for your product. Because once you will design a product from Delhi or Guwahati, the transportation cost will be involved. If the center of design here will be in the Impal, then you will get without any cost of logistic. So that packaging helps in branding. The particular brands, if you want to sell or develop your own brand, how you can advertise, how you can inform to the customer. It is through the packaging only. You have to put your logo, company name, and some mandatory information is also you have to print on the packaging. So this, now I can say like, I can summarize packaging has two design aspects. One aspect of the packaging is the functional strength, how much the strength should be there, what is the size of the packaging is there required. What are the characteristic barrier properties, water vapor, moisture, because packaging must protect from the environment. So this is known as barrier properties. Packaging must protect from the moisture. Packaging must protect from the light also. Why it is important? Your product is very bright in color, your own product, handloom product, handicraft products, you have painted, you have colored in such a way, it should not be faint. It should not be, because you know direct sunlight causing the oxidations. When oxidation will be there, including the food items or handicraft is there, so then there is a change in the color. So now the packaging must protect from the sunlight also. So these are the basic functionalities required we are expecting from good packaging and suitable packaging. We have to understand. Then styles creates a desire for the product within. Sometimes we have seen, we have experience when we enter any organized retail shop, particular product sale volume is increased due to the packaging, to see the packaging we purchase, used to purchase. So that is known as aesthetic design, which can attract to the product. And what makes a good package design? You can see, similar to visual attractiveness, packaging must offer something unique to truly appeal to the customer. Through uniqueness can manifest itself in a several different way. So another incorporation when we have to design on packaging is that, you know, I told 3 words, touch, feel. Your product is inside your packaging material. If it cannot be seen from outside, customer will not understand what is inside of this. If similar pictorial depiction or the inside of the texture is depicted or displayed on your packaging material, it will inform, it will give the feeling. So now we are talking about digital printing, customized printing, where you can feel silky printing is there. These are the innovation in the field of the printing also. So packaging, we cannot also imagine good printing. Packaging is not possible without good printing. So these are the integral part of the packaging systems, through which we have to make the packaging attractive. Good design, graphics, good printings and all. And sometimes also you have experience, and packaging is target oriented. Am I right? Particular handicraft items or gift items are for the particular age group. Textile items are especially for the particular age group. So accordingly, we can design a packaging so that it can attract to the particular gender, particular age group, particular customer. Accordingly, we can have also some complementary packaging combinations so that it can be used, easy to use, easy to handle, easy to carry on. So what are the main function of the packaging? That already I have explained: protection, containment, information, utility of use, and finally promotions. So our packaging should be in such a way so that it must protect throughout their whole supply chain. It must protect during the transportations. It must protect from the dust, rain, oxygen, contaminations, heavy metal contaminations, especially if the product is food items. Now, there is also, a few months back, our Honorable Prime Minister in Mann Ki Baat, he was talking about the toys, Indian toys. We are facing a steep competition with neighboring countries. So how we can market our toys in international market? One part is that we should have a standards and specification of toys items at par of international standard. One of the major clause of the toys is that it should be safe, because the toys for the children, babies, it should not harm their health, it should not injure. So all required information must be printed on a packaging. One part is that you have to follow the stringent regulations, what is laid down as per the IS standard or international standards regarding the toys. Another part is that this must be integrated, interlinked with the packaging. That required compliances, information must be, you have to print on packaging. So this is so that it must protect. So therefore we are talking about that packaging must protect, helps in protection, preservation of your product, helps protect against the containment, whether it is the chemical containment, whether it is the environmental contaminations, whether it is the biological contaminations. Now we are talking about that. After the COVID-19, we are very much aware about that. Virus is one of the sources of contaminations. So that now we are talking about that. We are discussing about that. The research is going on how we can have a packaging which must be have antimicrobial properties. Packaging itself protects against the microorganisms. Packaging, now we are looking that any solution, so the virus cannot contaminate the items. So then, of course, what I have mentioned about that informs packaging is tool for advertisement tool, packaging is sales tool for the marketing. Now I am talking that the packaging is not only silent salesman, now it is an aggressive tool of marketing. It all depends upon how innovative design you are putting and developing. And third one is that brand differentiations. Whether it is the Nestle product, whether it is the Fab India product, whether it is the travel product, all informations are coming, all can be incorporated, good graphics on the packaging itself. So now, the role of packaging for branding of Manipur product. Therefore, I am here. We have to have our packaging innovative, unique packaging for our Manipur product. All you know? So what are the texture is there? What are the history is linked with that? we have to incorporate on packaging. A small leaflet also improve the branding of our product. Oh, if a person of a Manipur origin, they are living in outside of the Manipur or foreign countries, they would like to purchase a product from Manipur. Am I right? Where the packaging, if you'll make innovative packaging, they love to bring. So therefore, we have to focus on innovative packaging, innovative design, and that solution you need to. We are ready to, Indian Institute of Packaging is ready to give the solutions. It not only helps the product, it stands out. If you have a good packaging, you have a product from Bengal origin. If your product from the Assam, if you have a good package, because you have a different states having India product, like travel product. If your product have a good packaging, it will stands out from other product. Clear? So innovation should be there. Your product should speak in volumes. Differentiation should be there by through the innovative packaging. Creative packaging. You know what is the, again I'm coming on the back points. What is the back point? Is the science, art, packaging science and art. Why? This point, what I am talking about, that creativity. Who has a good creativity, he can develop a good innovative design, am I right? Therefore, packaging is a art. Science is that what type of the material is required, what is the chemical reactions, compatibility with the product, it comes under the science part. Technology, how it can be made, how it can be manufactured is the technology engineering part. Please. So this is the innovative design, I was talking about that. Creative packaging have a positive effect on products, business marketing campaign, and can also cut shipping and storage cost, and creative and sustainable packaging design. Our packaging, whatever the design we are going to do, must be sustainable. Sustainable not in terms of the material or biodegradability, sustainable in terms of the cost. If packaging cost will be higher than your product, no one will be taker. So therefore, the packaging must be cost-effective packaging. When we are talking about that, sustainable, it must be a cost-effective packaging, low-cost product. Therefore, and also we can have a different segments. Am I right? Low segment, retail segment, and premium product. Accordingly, we can have a different types of the packaging. So therefore, the packaging as an effective tool of marketing. At the point of sale, packaging design must catch the customer's eyes in a matter of seconds, giving the customer reason to pick up. So what I have mentioned about that, within 13 seconds, who impulsive impact is the good design. Warehouse and logistic, you know, sometimes if you store a product, it is damaged. You might have a purchase of good package conditions, but during the storage, you know, there is a stacking of the different boxes, maybe the 5 stacks, 6 stacks in a container or storage, 8 stacking. So if your box is not good strength, your package is not having the strong strength, so it will be damaged. The bottom one will be damaged because it will face the 8 times of the load. So therefore, this packaging material selection is also important. Whether the paper-based, sustainable packaging, now we are talking about the bamboo-based, even we can have develop a packaging from agricultural waste material with the proper pulping, proper molding we can develop. So there are the different avenues, and accordingly we can have a primary, secondary, tertiary and warehouse packaging and transport packaging. And now packaging has developed in such a way. Earlier you never heard about the packaging. Today you are hearing the term packaging. I'm talking about the packaging technology. So now this subject becomes scientific engineering subject. So you need a skilled manpower. You need a training for particular packaging. You need to learn about the quality. You need to standards. If you are going to export, you have to understand what is the compliances of the exporting countries. So soon skilled manpowers are required in this field of the packaging. Challenge facing the handicraft industry. What you are facing? Anybody? कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ? Sometimes कि आपका प्रोडक्ट वापस लौट गया हो, आपने भेजा हो दिल्ली और टूट गया हो, आपका पैसा नहीं मिला हो. I hope most of the businessmen, sometimes, somewhere, you have faced this problem. Am I right? Due to the poor packaging. This is all you are facing, especially for the Manipur. Sometimes, every day you have seen, oh, हमारा प्रोडक्ट दूसरों से अलग कैसे होगा? क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Consumer choice बदल गया. Sometimes small, they required very lighter in weight. Sometimes they want heavier weight, some bulkier. So accordingly, you have consumer packaging. You need to have a bulk packaging for the transportations. That is the तो most competitive हो गया. एक तरफ आपको कॉस्ट भी देखना है कि आपको मार्केट में बेचना है जिस प्रोडक्ट को वो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव हो. अगर पैकेजिंग का कॉस्ट फिर 2 रुपया बढ़ रहा है तो वो भी देखना पड़ेगा. Am I right? But you should have a very competitive. E-commerce के लिए what is the way? तो numerous inventories are required to market your product through the e-portal. Your packaging should appeal to the customer and also safe delivery to the customer. एक और बात है, कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि कॉस्टली प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट क्या कर लेता है, लोग क्या कर लेते हैं बताइए. यू डू हैव एक्सपीरियंस, आई होप. हम सबको कभी न कभी लाइफ में एक बार तो जरूर एक्सपीरियंस हुआ कि मंगाया था मैंने प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट, आया छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट. ऐसा हुआ ना? मंगाया था मैंने एप्पल का मोबाइल और यू हैव रिसीव्ड some dummy materials. So how we can counterfeit? The packaging can give us solutions. Now we are talking about intelligent packaging. Now we are talking about the packaging can track and trace your product to avoid the theft. We are talking about how the packaging can, especially for the export, you can track and trace your product. By the same time, the purchaser understand कि किस artisans ने बनाया, इसकी history क्या है. ये possible है आज के दौर में. Costly है. When we are talking about intelligent packaging, interactive packaging, now we are expecting the packaging should speak to the customer. Do you have such experience? कोई बताएंगे आपको कि पैकेजिंग बात करता है कस्टमर से? हाँ या नहीं? स्पेशली टॉयज के आइटम में हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि पैकेजिंग बात करे कस्टमर से. दैट इनोवेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड सो दैट वी कैन compete with the international market by better packaging, by intelligent packaging, by smart packaging, by tracking and intelligent tracking and tracing tools. So of course, good packaging also minimize your inventory, control your inventory with the help of proper barcoding. You can check your stock. This already I have explained what is the basic function of the packaging. The good packaging should be performing following functions: protect the product from damage, preserve the quality of the product is also important. सिर्फ डैमेज से नहीं रोकना है कि क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, फ्रेशनेस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, किस कंडीशन में आपने भेजा हुआ है उसी कंडीशन में वो कस्टमर को मिले. फैसिलिटीज इकोनॉमिकल ऑफ द पैकेजिंग, अनपैकिंग. ऐसा भी होता है कई बार, क्या होता है बताएंगे कि वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू अनपैक योर प्रोडक्ट. एम आई राइट? व्हाट शुड बी द प्रॉपर टेक्निक टू बी यूज्ड, टूल्स टू बी यूज्ड सो दैट इजी टू ओपन. वी शुड नॉट स्ट्रगल. ये क्यों हो रहा है बताएंगे आप? कैन यू से एनीवन कैन रिप्लाई कि ये क्यों होता है कि इतना स्ट्रांग उसकी सीलिंग है कि दांत लगाना पड़ता है. राइट? दिस शुड बी सम साइंटिफिक, थोड़ी सी उसमें हम प्रिसीजन कर देंगे, यूवी नोट्स लगा देंगे, नोट लगा देंगे, इंडिकेटर लगा देंगे, तो लोग समझ आएंगे कि यहां से खोलना है, विथ लेस पावर यू कैन ओपन इट. राइट? दैट नीड टू बी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. सो प्रोडक्ट टू बी हैंडल थ्रू आउट द इंटीग्रेटेड ट्रांसपोर्ट. हमारा पैकेजिंग ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ऐसी होना चाहिए कि वो पूरे पैलेट में एक बॉक्स में प्रॉपरली अरेंज हो सके। तो डिजाइन, शेप, parameters to be considered when you are going to design. Contribute to the customer perception of the product value. ये तो मॉर्निंग से हम बात कर रहे हैं कि हमारा वैल्यू एडिशन कर देता है, अच्छी पैकेजिंग। हम वाई वी आर अट्रैक्टेड बाय द रेमंड, वाई वी आर अट्रैक्टेड बाय द अदर Fab India, because they are adopting good packaging systems where they can enhance the value. Then main points to be considered when we are going to design, select a packaging systems. The factor to be considered is that protection from the hazards, stress. It must protect against the biological hazards like bacteria, yeast, mold, and insect. When you store a product, what happens? Like it is easily infested by the insects. You are putting a special spray of the insects, an insecticide you are putting. Now we are expecting the packaging itself protect from the insect and pests. So we are talking about the insect repellent packaging systems, so that your handicraft product should not be damaged. Then classification of handicraft and handloom items. All you are aware about that. But anyhow, I am going to. It may be the metal, it may be a textile product, it may be leather, it may be wood materials, paper based, glass based materials. So यानी जितना पैकेजिंग मटेरियल है उतना ये हैंडीक्राफ्ट हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकता है. तो सर, so that each and every product has its a unique requirement for packaging. These are the few products. I know you are better than me. These are the commonly available products of handicraft. Am I right? Cane and bamboo craft, most popular product in the country from Manipur. Kauna craft, what is it? You know, can you explain anyone? Kauna craft. It is made of from hydrosin. No, am I right? Director. So I have discussed about that. So again, this is the obtained from the agriculture sources. So we need to protect through the good packaging. Black pottery. I was discussing few months back to the travel ministry. They have invited me to develop some packaging. What I have discussed about that, we have developed good honey packaging for them. They are marketing now by using our packaging materials. What we have developed for them. So they have also that time they have discussed that this is the one product from the Manipur. Can you do something? So we have started to work to develop a packaging for this black pottery. And it is also a ceramic pottery. Then textile weaving. This is also your unique handicraft. Am I right? Is it? Sir, this is the handicraft textile of the Manipur? Handloom items. So many more products are there, very popular, unique. We can have a good primary packaging so that the branding can be done through good packaging. Wood carving is another handloom item of Manipur, which is very popular. Then block printing. You do the block printings. So we have to preserve it with the suitable. Natural fiber craft also you are making this already we have discussed. So what is now another area is potential. More than 300 GIE, geographically identified tag product, the GI registered product are there. Manipur, maybe the 4 and 5 products, so GI products, including the black rice, kala chawal. What is the benefit of the kala chawal? Bataiye. Why people purchase the kala chawal? Bataiye to. Anyone? एक बंदा खड़े होके बता दीजिए कि what is the benefit of this black rice?
Antioxidant.
Antioxidative. यार इससे तो खाने के बाद आदमी जवान हो जाएगा, पूरा नहीं होगा. Am I right? Antioxidant property ये होती है. It means it has a functional property, it has a health property. और ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स भी कम कर देता. Am I right? डायबिटिक आदमी को रिकमेंड कर सकते हो. Am I right? 1 किलो ब्लैक राइस का कितना दाम है? कितना दाम है? किसी ने बताएंगे?
rupees 100.
400
100 per kg.
100, और जब हम एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे तो उसका हमें कितना डॉलर मिल सकता है? बिकॉज होल वर्ल्ड इज लुकिंग फॉर हेल्दी प्रोडक्ट्स, products which has a health benefit. People do not want to purchase a capsule or tablet of antioxidant. Am I right? Ladies are very much aware about that. They used to. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट नहीं खाना चाहेगा टेबलेट, अगर उसको फूड आइटम से मिल रहा है तो क्या जरूरत है? अगर ब्लैक राइस खाने से एंटीऑक्सीडेंट मिल रहा है तो क्यों खाएगा कोई टेबलेट विटामिन सी का? Am I right? तो need to highlight such type of the GI product which is unique and India's origin, heritage, and Manipur is number one. No other part of country is growing this black rice. तो हम लोग पैकेजिंग बनाएंगे, इसका स्टडी करना है कि वो ऑर्गेनिक हो, सस्टेनेबल हो, सेफ हो और सिक्योर हो. All you understand what I want to give the message? तो like that way we have to identify the product first. किन प्रोडक्ट की अच्छी पैकेजिंग करनी है जो मणिपुर ओरिजिन का है, मणिपुर का यूनिक है और इसका मार्केट बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. हाई वॉल्यूम प्रोडक्ट, हाई सेलेबल प्रोडक्ट, ये बेसिक क्राइटेरिया होगा. पहले उन प्रोडक्ट को लेंगे. प्रोडक्ट तो और भी होंगे, आपके 1,000-100 प्रोडक्ट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें शुरू में वो प्रोडक्ट जिसका डिमांड ज्यादा है, जिसकी मार्केटेबिलिटी ज्यादा है, जिसका शेयर ज्यादा हो सकता है, जिसका पोटेंशियल ज्यादा है और यूनिक है. तो यूनिक होने से क्या है, उसके साथ क्या करना चाहिए बताइए? जो प्रोडक्ट यूनिक है वो मार्केट में यूनिक जाना जाए तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए बताइए? यूनिक पैकेजिंग होना चाहिए. वो कब होगा? आपके साथ, आर्टिजन्स के साथ डिस्कशन करके मुझे आपके प्रोडक्ट को जानना पड़ेगा और आप मुझे जानेंगे. हम दोनों को एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि पैकेजिंग के लिए क्या क्या चीजें हमें आपसे इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए और हमको यह जानना पड़ेगा कि आपके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जितना बता दीजिए. जब हम दोनों को एक दूसरे को बहुत स्ट्रांगली समझने लगेंगे तब जाकर के अच्छी पैकेजिंग, इनोवेटिव पैकेजिंग हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं मणिपुर के लोगों के लिए. ठीक है, ये कुछ प्रोडक्ट है मेरे, आई कुड नॉट प्रॉपरली प्रोनाउंस बट लाम्फी, फी, कचई लेमन, लाइक ऐसे से कुछ प्रोडक्ट है. बाद में सीख लूंगा, मैं थोड़ा और लर्न कर लूंगा, सॉरी. तो लाइक दैट वे. तो ये कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हमने देखा फैब्रिक मार्केट से, मैंने फोटो लिया कल, बिकॉज आई रोम अराउंड द मार्केट टू सी कि क्या क्या चीज़ है मणिपुर में जिसकी पैकेजिंग हम कर सकते हैं. तो ये कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और इसको पैकेजिंग के थ्रू हम लोग अच्छा कर सकते हैं. केन एंड बैम्बू, इसके बारे में मैंने बता दिया कि कुछ बेसिक फंक्शंस चाहिए हर प्रोडक्ट के लिए, अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट है. क्लीनिंग होना चाहिए प्रॉपरली, तो कैसे फिलिंग करेंगे. पैकेजिंग फॉर कॉर्नर एंड पोट्री आइटम्स. ये प्रोडक्ट आपका बड़ा सुंदर है. आई हैव सीन ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट्स आर देयर लाइक द मणिपुरी पीपल. हाउ वी कैन हैव अ गुड पैकेजिंग ऑल्सो. How can we make it this itself as a packaging material, premium packaging material? We can make it for other handicraft items also. That will be there, sir. So people will purchase your product, beautiful product, to pack their handicraft items of other. So that will be, we have to give the thought process in this direction. This is the, already someone has, the travel ministry has gifted me to develop a packaging. This Ketli, it is with me in Delhi. So this is the leather item is also is there. There is a potential. I hope that some you can develop some leather product. This how we can develop good packaging. You can see earlier you used to sell your product in a, you are used to wrap a product in newspaper and used to sell. But how we can develop innovative packaging with the good cushioning material from natural fiber. This is the alternative source of cushioning material. Your fiber can be used as a natural fiber for the cushioning material, because this especially handicraft items, some of the products are fragile in nature. They break. So we required special cushioning material to protect them, which is known as a protection packaging. even from the natural fiber, which is available in Manipur, can be utilized scientifically. We have to develop a SOP. We have to develop standards. What should be the fiber characteristics and specifications, especially biological specifications. Then it can be used, that can be exported and marketed. These are the few packaging highlights I want to show how we can develop a good packaging from small packaging to the bulk and jumbo bag packaging. This you see, you can see here, from small packaging to now we can have a jumbo packaging and different level and layers of the packaging which can bear the loads of heavy materials or bulk systems. This is the all. Finally, now the product, your product is ready for it. Export, ready for market in a pallet conditions. You can put in a container. You put in a wagon. So double wall corrugated fiber board. Now we are talking about 7 ply corrugated fiber board boxes, which also gives good sense of hygiene, safe, which must have a good strength of 10 kg. This is some premium packaging you have experience in the market. Now, what we have developed? Recently, within 1 month, we have developed. What is it? Yes. This is the bamboo. Bamboo. This is the bamboo crate. Can we market it in Can we? The thing is that you have a bamboo, you have a art, but my work will be to develop specifications, to make a packaging so that it should fulfill the compliances standard. Finishing you have to give, design will prepare, scientific design will prepare, will develop a prototype, and you have to manufacture it. You have to produce it. So that your bamboo diversify of the product. You have several bamboo items, now you can enter as a packaging manufacturer of bamboo product. Clear? These are the new horizons, नए आयाम of packaging from the bamboo what we are looking. प्लास्टिक करेक्ट मार्केट में ये बना रहता है ना, प्लास्टिक का रहता है मिल्क का, फूड का. हम ये चाहते हैं कि बैम्बू के क्रेट्स हों और वो सुंदर भी हो और सुशील भी हो, टिकाऊ भी हो. Is it? तो like that way we have to develop standards and specifications. अच्छा, जैसा मैंने कहा आपको, I have discussed to you what we have discussed कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का है ना कि टॉय पे भी बड़ा फोकस है कि हमारे जो भारतीय टॉय है, इंडियन टॉयज को कैसे बढ़ाया जाए. तो कुछ पैकेजिंग हम लोगों ने 1 महीने के अंदर डेवलप किया हूँ. देखिए कितना सुंदर पैकेजिंग है. ये वुड का है, वुड का. आपके यहाँ भी वुड का बनता है? अभी मैंने देखा खिलौना गाड़ी वुड का बना हुआ है, वुडन टॉयज. उसकी पैकेजिंग हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि बाहर से कस्टमर को दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि उसके अंदर कौन सा टॉय है बच्चों को. या डिफरेंट टॉयज का हम लोग ने पैकेजिंग डेवलप किया है. यू कैन सी थ्रू द स्क्रीन. और तो और सिर्फ टॉय तक महदूद नहीं है. वी आर नॉट लिमिटेड अवर सेल्फ कि हैंडीक्राफ्ट एंड हैंडलूम. और आपका स्टेट तो पाइनएप्पल में भी आगे है, am I right? फूड आइटम में भी ब्यूटीफुल जूसी स्वीट pineapple is famous from Manipur on eastern region. Recently we have developed this. It is also because you know that we have to maintain the freshness, especially. अच्छा, handicraft packaging को develop करने में थोड़ी आसानी है, लेकिन फूड आइटम स्पेशली फ्रेश फूड आइटम के लिए थोड़ी चैलेंजिंग है. क्यों? वो प्रोडक्ट फ्रेशनेस मेंटेन करना रहता है. अगर अनकंट्रोल ऑक्सीजन उसके अंदर रहेगा पैकेजिंग के अंदर तो स्पॉइलेज फास्ट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? थ्रू अवॉइड दैट वी हैव डिजाइन इन सच वे कि रास्ते में एब्रेजन भी नहीं हो, इसलिए कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हिलेगा डुलेगा तो एब्रेजन भी ना हो और एरेशन भी हो. ये जो होल्स देखते हैं वैसे नहीं डला हुआ है, साइंटिफिकली डिजाइन है कि 1 किलो प्रोडक्ट के लिए कितना ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत, एरेशन की जरूरत होती है. उसके अलावा पर यूनिट एरिया ऑक्सीजन का रोटेशन कितना होगा उसके हिसाब से होल का डिजाइन किया जाता है। क्लियर नो, साइंटिफिकली। और फिर तो दिस इज द पैकेजिंग वी हैव डेवलप्ड फॉर द रिसेंटली फॉर पाइनएप्पल। ये डिफरेंट कुशनिंग मटेरियल वी हैव डिजाइन रिजिड हैंडीक्राफ्ट के लिए, फ्रेजाइल हैंडीक्राफ्ट के लिए, डेलिकेट प्रोडक्ट के लिए कैसा कैसा होना चाहिए, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कुशनिंग यू कैन सी थ्रू द आई विल शेयर दिस प्रेजेंटेशन टू योर डायरेक्टर। हैंडीक्राफ्ट कितना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, कुछ चीजें हम शेयर करेंगे, यू कैन सी ऑन योर वेबसाइट। तो कितना होना चाहिए उसका, कितना ग्रामेज का होना चाहिए, यूनिट पैकेजिंग क्या है, सीक्वेंस फॉर पैकेजिंग एंड पैकेजिंग ऑपरेशन फॉर प्रोडक्ट यूनिट। तो क्या क्या चीजें रिक्वायरमेंट होती है इफ यू वांट टू परचेज अ पैकेजिंग। आपको थोड़ा सा पैकेजिंग के बारे में नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि पैकेजिंग किस मटेरियल का होना चाहिए, उसका स्ट्रेंथ क्या होना चाहिए, है ना, कितने प्लाई का होना चाहिए, स्पेशली ट्रांसपोर्ट पैकेजिंग। तो ये सब सारी चीजें जानना जरूरी है। तो यू कैन सी थ्रू दिस स्लाइड्स। डायमेंशन कितना होना चाहिए, ये देखिए कि हम लोगों ने जैसा कि बताया था कि हम लोग उस्ताद प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बड़ा काम किया पैन इंडिया। देखिए किन किन प्रोडक्ट्स के होते हैं, बनारसी सिल्क साड़ी, तंचुई सिल्क साड़ी, मोगा सिल्क साड़ी। आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर, तो मोगा सिल्क साड़ी तो आप लोगों की इसलिए कि ये स्टेट नेबरिंग स्टेट है आपका, आपने देखा आसामी साड़ी। हाँ, ये जो आइटम है, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट, ये मोगा सिल्क साड़ी है जिसमें बैम्बू से हम लोगों ने बनाया। ये एक एग्जांपल, सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम लोगों ने मोगा सिल्क साड़ी में बैम्बू कहानी है पैकेज के साथ। क्या जो दिखता है वो बिकता है। आपने देखा होगा कि जो प्लास्टिक का विंडो क्यों दिया जाता है, क्योंकि कस्टमर प्लास्टिक क्यों पॉपुलर हुआ, सी थ्रू पैकेजिंग, विंडो पैकेजिंग, कस्टमर बाहर से देख सकता है। तो इसलिए जो लिमिटेशन है कोलगेटेड पेपर बेस्ड पैकेजिंग का कि हम लोग बाहर से नहीं देख सकते, तो वी हैव टू डिजाइन इन सच ए वे और यूज हमने नेचुरल फाइबर को यूज किया, के बैम्बू स्टिक को यूज किया कि बंदा बाहर से देख सके। तो ये एक एग्जांपल है जो 40 प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों ने बनाया। हाँ, उस्ताद प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, उनमें से ये भी एक पैकेजिंग है। ये देखिए, तो फिर उसी तरह हम लोगों ने चंदेरी साड़ी है, टसर सिल्क साड़ी है, थंजावुर सिल्क साड़ी है, पूरे हिंदुस्तान मैसूर सिल्क साड़ी है, उसकी पैकेजिंग डेवलप किया। ब्रास इज फेमस, मुरादाबाद का ब्रास का प्रोडक्ट है। आपके यहाँ भी होता है कुछ ब्रास के प्रोडक्ट का, मेटल के कुछ प्रोडक्ट के पैकेजिंग ये है। हैंडीक्राफ्ट में कुछ आइटम है हैंडीक्राफ्ट के ब्रास से बने हुए, है ना। तो लाइक दैट वे, तो हम लोगों ने अभी एक बनाया है ब्रास का, मुरादाबादी ब्रास के लिए कुछ पैकेजिंग की डेवलप किया, वो हम आगे वाली स्लाइड में देखेंगे। बेल मेटल का हमने किया है ना। बिदरी वर्क्स भी का भी पैकेजिंग किया है। बोन क्राफ्ट के भी कुछ राजस्थानी बोन क्राफ्ट की पैकेजिंग हम लोगों ने डेवलप किया। ये देखिए मेटल की कितनी अच्छी पैकेजिंग का, ब्लास मेटल का हम लोगों ने पैकेज डिजाइन फॉर द मुरादाबाद बेल मेटल वर्क, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, प्रोडक्ट से ज्यादा अच्छा दिखने लगा है वो उसकी पैकेजिंग। ये देखिए बनारसी सिल्क साड़ी की कितनी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है, कितनी अच्छी ब्रांडिंग हम लोगों ने डेवलप की है। पैकेज डिजाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर द अलग अलग, एक तरह का नहीं, 3 पैकेजिंग ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। और ये देखिए हम लोगों को उसका पेटेंट, 20 प्रोडक्ट की पेटेंट डिजाइन मिल गई। तो इतनी अच्छी पैकेजिंग डिजाइन है जो सस्टेनेबल है, इको फ्रेंडली है, नेचुरली रिसोर्स बेस्ड पैकेजिंग है। ये देखिए ये एक अलग पैकेजिंग है। तो ये आपके लिए भी बना सकते हैं, आपके भी प्रोडक्ट का भी हो सकता है। कितना सुंदर पैकेजिंग वी हैव डेवलप, यू कैन सी। Now, challenges in packaging for handloom and handicraft of Manipur. क्या पैकेजिंग क्या फेस कर रहे हैं, कोई एक बंदा खड़े होकर बता दे माइक से। अब लास्ट 2-3 स्लाइड पे डिस्कस करके खत्म करेंगे, आप लंच का वेट कर रहे होंगे। हाँ, बहुत देर से लग रहा होगा कि डॉक्टर साहब ने बहुत देर से हमें बांध रखा है। कोई बताएंगे कि आप लोगों को क्या फेस कर रहे हो। जो मेरी समझ आई है, जो मैंने स्टडी किया पिछले कुछ दिनों से मणिपुर के लिए, मेघा आपके लिए, तो पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री इन मणिपुर, सप्लाई ऑफ गुड पैकेजिंग मटेरियल, ये बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। am I right? You are not getting locally available packaging materials of in Manipur. Yes, you want to say something, or you want to support?
We got, sir.
Yeah.
But actually now, it is not fully performed now. That is why, just I would like to ask you something. Last some hours, you are telling like that, it is mainly based on the handloom and handicraft items. But actually, packaging is just based on the handloom, handicraft, electronics items, and so many items in our edible items. Just like first black rice, it is a how. When it will pack and how many times will can be used by us. Just means manufacturing date and expiry date. Shall we put? We should not be put. In which item we should be put the manufacturing and expiry date and batch number also.
देखिए, जो पैकेजिंग का कंप्लायंसेस है ना, 11 से 12 इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देना पड़ेगा ही, कि पैकेजिंग बनाया किसने है, ठीक है, यानी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट क्या है, बैच नंबर क्या है ना, और इसका एक्सपायरी डेट क्या है। ये बेस्ट बिफोर यूज स्पेशली फूड आइटम्स के लिए तो देना ही देना है। समझ गए मेरी बात? ये इन्फॉर्मेशन स्पेशली, अच्छा देखिए, हम यहाँ पे आए थे स्पेशली बात करने के लिए कि हैंडीक्राफ्ट और हैंडलूम सेगमेंट को हम आज डिस्कस करने आए थे। पैकेजिंग तो बड़ा वाइड सब्जेक्ट है, फूड के लिए फिर हम किसी और फोरम पे आएंगे। आई विल रिक्वेस्ट टू द इंडस्ट्री कमिश्नर के और एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री को कि हम उनके फोरम पे, यहाँ कौन लोग फूड से एक भी बंदा नहीं होगा या एक कोई होगा। तो फोकस मेरा ये था पैकेजिंग के अवेयरनेस के बारे में, पैकेजिंग के इंपॉर्टेंस के बारे में, रोल के बारे में, और फिर हमें ये डिस्कस करना है बेसिकली कि पैकेजिंग में हम हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट जो सेगमेंट है कंट्री का, द सेगमेंट ऑफ पैकेजिंग इज ह्यूज एंड देयर इज अ पोटेंशियल फॉर स्पेशली फॉर मणिपुर हैंडीक्राफ्ट प्रोडक्ट। उसकी पैकेजिंग कैसे इंप्रूव करें, कौन सी प्रोडक्ट की पैकेजिंग करें, उसके लिए आया। इसलिए मैं फूड तो बड़ा टॉपिक है, मैं घंटों दिन भर बात कर सकता हूँ फूड पे, इसलिए मैंने टच नहीं किया उनको। समझ रहे हैं जेंटलमैन? हाँ, तो एक लिमिट है। इस हम लोगों का हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट की पैकेजिंग की बात कर रहे थे, इसलिए हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं। तो फूड, जब फूड की बात जब हम करेंगे तो दो तरह का फूड आइटम होगा, एक प्रोसेस फूड, एक होगा फ्रेश फूड, और दोनों की पैकेजिंग अलग अलग होती है, दोनों की पैकेजिंग रिक्वायरमेंट अलग अलग है, दोनों की कंडीशन से अलग अलग हैं। तो समझ रहे हैं? तो उसके लिए कौन सी यूनिक पैकेजिंग होनी चाहिए वो उस सेशन में बात करेंगे। फिर मैं चाहूँगा, फिर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि अगर ऐसी ज़रूरत है फूड की पैकेजिंग की बात करने के लिए तो हम किसी और फोरम में किसी और दिन बात करेंगे। आज मैं फोकस करा हैंडलूम हैंडीक्राफ्ट को लेकर के। क्लियर? सेक्टर वाइज देखिए, पैकेजिंग तो सबको चाहिए, फार्मास्यूटिकल को भी चाहिए, पैकेजिंग केमिकल इंडस्ट्री को भी चाहिए, है ना, ड्रग्स को भी चाहिए, सबको पैकेजिंग चाहिए। बिना पैकेजिंग के कोई बिजनेस और एक्सपोर्ट नहीं हो सकता। तो हम इस सेगमेंट के पोटेंशियल को, इसलिए कि क्यों, इससे आर्टिजन से जुड़े हुए हैं, आर्टिजन्स को अच्छी पैकेजिंग नहीं मिलती है, पैकेजिंग का ज्ञान नहीं है। तो हम इस अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम से, मैं कुछ चीज़ें, पूरी जानकारी तो नहीं दे सकता एक दिन में, am I right or wrong? Many more sessions are required. क्लस्टर बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत पड़ेगी हमें, क्लस्टर में जाके ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ेगा। कोई हैंडलूम के लोग होंगे 25 लोग 15 लोग, तो उनको हैंडलूम की पैकेजिंग के बारे में बताएंगे। कोई हैंडीक्राफ्ट का प्रोडक्ट बनाता है तो उसकी हैंडीक्राफ्ट की बात करना पड़ेगा। अगर पोट्री का जो बिजनेस है, पोट्री का आर्टिस्ट, वो हैंडलूम हैंडीक्राफ्ट से क्या मतलब? am I right? तो हम क्लस्टर बेस्ड भी ट्रेनिंग देंगे, आने वाले दिन में उसका भी हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। क्लियर हो गई? तो कुछ चीजें है ना, समरी हमने डिस्कस किया, सोचा है कि चैलेंजेस इन पैकेजिंग फॉर हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट ऑफ मणिपुर। पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री इन मणिपुर, देयर इज पुअर सप्लाई ऑफ गुड पैकेजिंग मटेरियल। आई होप यू ऑल एग्री, ये स्टेट में पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री नहीं है। am I right? बल एक दो कुछ इंडस्ट्री होंगे, आई विल डिस्कस। देन पुअर डिजाइन, आपने की पैकेजिंग इतनी अच्छी, प्रोडक्ट इतना अच्छा, उसकी पुअर पैकेजिंग डिजाइन है, तो वी नीड एस्थेटिक पैकेजिंग की जरूरत है। तो वी नीड टू हैव अ कॉमन फैसिलिटी सेंटर वेयर वी हैव अ गुड डिजाइन फैसिलिटी ऑफ पैकेजिंग। देन लैक ऑफ स्किल मैन पावर, कुछ लोगों को नॉलेज नहीं है, पैकेजिंग तो करते हैं लेकिन सही नॉलेज नहीं है, स्किल डेवलपमेंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ पैकेजिंग। ये 3-4 चीज़ों का हमने, ये चैलेंज है जिसको हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो सॉल्यूशन इन पैकेजिंग फॉर हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट ऑफ मणिपुर, पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के थ्रू कॉमन फैसिलिटी सेंटर बना करके टू मिनिमाइज द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, है ना। आईपी कैन डेवलप पैकेज डिजाइन फॉर प्रोटोटाइप स्टैंडर्ड्स हम लोग कर सकते हैं। इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पैकेजिंग कैन डेवलप डिजाइन प्रोटोटाइप standards and specification for local product of Manipur. Innovative design, functional aesthetic design, this can be funded by the MSME ministry. IP can provide regular training for innovative and sustainable packaging, आपके लिए कर सकते हैं time bound manner पे। IP can develop a packaging for GI product. तो ये सब सारा हम solution भी सोच रहे हैं कि कैसे आपको कर सकते हैं। एक और अहम बात है, आप अगर अपनी किसी प्रोडक्ट की पैकेजिंग है, आपकी इंडस्ट्री एमएसएमई में आती है, तो वो आपको 1.5 लाख रुपए तक रीइंबर्स कर देगा। आप सिर्फ डिजाइन आईपी से बनवा लीजिए, जो फीस आईपी चार्ज करेगी वो एमएसएमई मिनिस्ट्री आपको दे देगा। ये उनके स्कीम्स चल रहे हैं। ये स्कीम सर नीड टू प्रमोट कि भाई आप पैकेजिंग प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करो, ग्रीन पैकेजिंग, चाहे आईपी से या किसी और से भी करा लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो वो पैसा आपको रिइंबर्स हो जाएगा, आपकी अच्छी पैकेजिंग डेवलप हो जाएगी। दिस स्कीम ऑलरेडी फ्लरिश बाय द एमएसएमई मिनिस्ट्री। स्पाइसेस बोर्ड, अगर आई डोंट नो कि हाउ स्पाइसेस इज देयर इन दिस स्टेट, स्पाइसेस बोर्ड में भी अगर आप कुछ पैकेजिंग की जरूरत होती है डेवलप करने की और टेस्टिंग करने की, वो सारा स्पाइसेस बोर्ड 50% आपको रिइंबर्स करेगा। तो ये सब कुछ स्कीम्स हैं। हम कुछ सोच रहे हैं कि कुछ शेड्यूल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, जैसा मैंने बोला क्लस्टर बेस्ड पैकेजिंग, टॉय पैकेजिंग के लिए, आपके जीआई प्रोडक्ट के लिए, बैम्बू पैकेजिंग के लिए हम प्लान कर सकते हैं अगले फाइनेंशियल ईयर मार्च के बाद। विद दिस वर्ड्स आई थैंक्स टू द मणिपुर, आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और स्पेशली डायरेक्टर महोदय का, आपके डिपार्टमेंट का, आपके मंत्री महोदय का, और धन्यवाद भारत सरकार का, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री का, जिनके मिशन से मैं यहाँ हूँ और आपके बीच हूँ। और मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ जो गैदरिंग है, जो सिंसियरिटी से आपने सुबह से आपने हमें सुना, हमारे इंटरेक्शन को यू हैव लिसन पेशेंटली। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद। और फिर मेरा भारतीय पैकेजिंग संस्थान का वेबसाइट है, उसमें मेरा फ़ोन नंबर और मोबाइल नंबर है। आप कभी भी मेल करके अपने क्वेरीज को पैकेजिंग से रिलेटेड A to Z सॉल्यूशंस आप कभी भी पूछ सकते हो हमें, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। 24 आवर्स आई एम अवेलेबल टू रिप्लाई। तो ऐसे नोट कर सकते हो। मेरा नंबर 9310601300। मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, 9310601300। और मेल आईडी है director-iip@iip-in.com। तो ये है, आप कभी भी हमसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं अगर कुछ क्वेरी है पैकेजिंग को लेकर के, कोई इंडस्ट्री अगर आप छोटी सी बैठाना चाहते हैं या अपने प्रोडक्ट की डिज़ाइन करना चाहते हैं तो मोस्ट वेलकम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।